harvesting honey. Everyone go ahead to come. What are you doing, man?
Vilobus, garam knife for opening tana.
YouTube mo eh.
Ipika wala spoon. Temna mamisyo.
Oh.
You attach spoon to yourself. You lay. Then you apply force level. Then you mix it. Then you.
Mami knife na may get usually.
This one skill dua. Kalau bus, betul. After no, if you look outside, you know what mix na lang.
But you know what? We mix. We na mix.
Saya aku pene musim na.
Iyo kita.
Apa musim?
Sinimbau.
30 Presi musim. Pene pulo map, mo pene.
Bosa mixim rice na ba? Mixim rice and tayo. Kakalobus, osem na. If you soup osem, bam kuta bano nice. Rice and tayo na straight, make him dry. Osem. Em na story blame me today. Osem. What you smoking? Oh ya? Spia. Okay.
Ternyata boys kau ni memang putih hot leaf ya. Hot kata memang rolan bebas smoking.
Okay. Seti biscuit lo de atu ba?
Okay.
Tane lunch or what? Brunch? Brunch ya?
Itu brunch buat 3 but brunch.
Small walk kami val drino lo injat lo dia. Little bit walk around lehem, but we will rest them. Every boys belum fana lo here. Sidan lo dia. Okay. Now. Oh ya? Plate lo mi val na bosa katen lo dia hem.
Dua kamana lo dia.
Where? Dia ton what CP ya?
Susit na.
Hero. Let's say blue ya?
Yeah.
Black house blue follow.
House blue ya berteman oleh kamera.
Ayun. Nabu. What do you my boy?
We make a plate.
Plate na.
And this one plate is made out of piro leaf.
Yeah. Piro.
Open them na this one container ya. Kopi somno mo out boys by sabe saving kai blog ata.
Yeah, for so no but we no kakaya.
Hapo dua mia na em na mi dui mia.
Demo no marisan demonstration no.
Pwede minsan lo here.
Okay.
Lo this one piro ya. Wala
Okay.
scoop lo mo ya.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then kakaya out for him na.
Kagaya na.
Okay, set. Half a dream na top is number 1.
Hapo dui na ya.
Yes.
Hero for a nation.
This is how we do it in the bush forest. I tell you this is the best. If you don't have leaves, sorry, you don't have plates. No plates, no problem. Oh how? No plates, no problem, yeah?
No place, no problem.
Yes.
Plate already
Nature na.
provided.
Yes,
Go
leaf
there
na.
give him come for use.
Amen. Okay. Spoon ni okay me, You man. Make it spoon.
Because I think keras one too.
No ma, I think alright one no, yeah. Smooth and good. Okay, so spoon na bosa okay me.
Yung boys na eh.
Yes.
Boys na hapay.
Boys lo hapay. Music. Bosa outing mo sem. Mukhang spoon na. Go na look him. Spoon is take shape na. Him take shape na. Place for whole blame na make him this time. You man. Silly.
Puno simba finisle.
Too good na ba? Lukim?
Balambim lo yamo.
Spoon take shape na.
Na.
Puno complete rice finish.
Boy, bara nice one. Hey, boys, what ni drop man?
Maganda tinta yun eh. Maganda tinta yun.
Hero na to song eh. Nice eh?
Para songa para instrument environment lo.
Busia. True one. Drum paong game so what ya? Drum paong game sin sana what?
Lagu dia na.
Hero.
Bong yun siya.
I'm good night to you na. So we are heading back to the village of Hapai.
Have some hiccups, but
Along the way, yeah. We've been told that the area that we've engaged in belongs to a specific owner, like a family, a block owner. So we're here to work with the tribe or the community as a whole, but we came to realize that the area belongs to a family. So what are we going to do now?
So we are going to have a chat with the committee.
Yeah.
That oversees the lifetime project.
Okay.
So we try to discuss options
Moving forward,
for moving forward. Yeah.
try to solve some issues, concerns that have been raised, and then we'll see from there.
That's part of the experience.
Yes, that's part of the experience. Oh,
Lots of mud.
mud, muddy area.
Every morning this is our welcome to the bush. So here is the field.
That's the field. You don't know if a kid or someone who normally, plays here will be a future star for the Solomon Islands.
If you see this side, profiling here.
Where?
Yeah. Where I'll profile my house. So if you that side, that's where Kiko got his timber. Already got.
Oh
cutting
yes. Another never-ending stories
Never-ending stories.
of the field.
In times like this, we have to keep our spirits high. Yeah.
Yes.
Try to have fun.
So we are now heading to the hall where we live, and then we'll get some community representatives or people from the community to sit and talk over some important matters with the land and ownership.